Well, boys, that was the only duck in the last 2 hours. It is getting absolutely horrible, guys, out here. What's up, YouTube business? We're going duck hunting in freezing temperatures, so let's just get straight into this. So, fellas, to tell this story correctly, we gotta go back a few days and relive the tragedies that you're about to see. Do not step in there. That's why I said don't step in there. As tragic as those might be, we have a game plan. We're going back to the classic spot. Obviously, we all know it's infested with divers, but now we're thinking I've been seeing a few mallards go by there, so I'm hoping that a nice big old flock of heifer mallards go by there, and with the usual divers, because, you know, they all taste good. And hopefully everything goes according to plan and nothing, you know, sinks. This is already a disaster. My mojo stopped working for some reason. Can't fix it until I get back. Get over here, you loud heifers. Oh my god. Crash, crash, crash. Oh, my weight flew off. That's nice, as always. Gotta go get that decoy back before she swims off. Oh, there it is. Hiding. Oh, you're you, heifer. Okay, boys. Things are not going according to plan. They are going very badly, to say the least. Our decoys are just flying off the weights. They're either getting caught up on my gear, or they're just getting caught up on whatever. Branches, reeds, me. It's just an all-around disaster. And even worse, the water is starting to freeze. I know, water freezing in -degree weather, very shocking. We just gotta keep an eye out there and make sure that the water doesn't freeze over or freeze any of our decoys in, because then they're not going to see very lifelike. But besides that is daylight, and let's hope there's at least some action. Oh god, they land nowhere near where I want them to. Mister, what the hell are those? Oh my god, they're geese. There's a lot of them down there too. Okay, fellas, this is not going as planned. Where the huge horde of mallards are not showing, and the divers are not even showing. I mean, there was those 2 divers. One was way downstream by those geese that you guys saw. It's pretty much dead. There's more geese landing than there are ducks. And sadly, we can't hunt geese until another week from now. Right now, it is just so cold. I'm just starting to think that the ducks are just frozen out there and they're not moving, which is most likely the case. I wouldn't want to fly in this disaster. So boys, we just gotta tough it out, and hopefully all the suffering pays off. I was making my spread to make them land in that pocket because they've always been landing above me, but now they're landing before. Classic. That is just classic. Okay, fellas, I'm back at the other spot because that was just one duck. If they land again there, I'm moving, but every time I hunt here, they land above. It's weird. No matter how I set them up, they'll land above. Until now, where I'm not ready for them to be landing up there, so we're just gonna get one more flock or one more group of ducks, and if they land back where that one land, we're moving. But I think that they're gonna want to land right there. But besides that, I'll catch you all when we have some action. Well, boys, that was the only duck in the last 2 hours. It is getting It's getting absolutely horrible, guys, out here. Speaking of which, duck flew in. Okay, boys, it's now getting better out here since we got that duck. Oh, this place has gone horribly wrong that I haven't seen a duck in a few hours. One just rolls in. Isn't that snazzy? Isn't that funny how that works out? Okay, let's get the snazzy little guys here. Ganser, however you say the names. Come here, heifer. Okay, fellas. Right as I was about to say we should pack up and leave, we have a lovely diver duck fly in and we nail her. Though, getting that duck was pretty tough. I was in the water for minutes and my hands are losing feeling along with the rest of my carcass. So, getting those decoys out, as you're hearing me say, is gonna be very, very tough. Imagine me being there just for a few minutes. Getting those decoys is a whole nother story. I got to dip my hands in the water, wrap them up, and chuck them in the boat and get on to the next batch. And I have them all spread out, not too far, but far enough where who knows when we even get back. But besides that, let's just get back into the video. Okay, boys, since I'm warming up now, I'm not dying of hypothermia. We got ourselves a nice classy Ganser. I don't know how much longer I can take out here because I gotta go out there and fish all those decoys out in this almost -degree weather. I was only in the water for not even 3 minutes, not even, and I couldn't even feel my hands after a minute. That is just crazy. So without further ado, I'll catch y'all when we have hopefully more action. I gotta get these decoys while I can before hypothermia sets in and I can't move. Cause I don't know about you, but seeing how fast I got cold, just being in that water just to retrieve that duck for that small time. Oh, this is not gonna be a fun little trip out there, but it has to be done. So no further ado, boys, let's get those decoys. Oh boy, we're almost done. My hands are starting to get numb. Woo! Let's get this decoy. We just barely managed to get those decoys out of the water. I can start to feel my hands again. Today was, I guess you can say, an alright morning. Wasn't as good as the other mornings, but we got ourselves a snazzy duck. A Ganser to be more exact. But we've run into a bit of an issue. My raft has another leak in it. Very, very bad, obviously. I think we can fix her, but next year we gotta do something different because the raft, this is only week 2 of this new raft and it's already have to almost be put out of the pasture. Well, boys, we only got one duck. As sad as that sounds, for that kind of day, how cold it was and how desperate things were getting, I say that's pretty good. Though I honestly want more, and I would want myself a delicious little mallard. We got ourselves a nice heifer duck, and that's honestly all that counts. We went out there, froze a little bit, and we got ourselves a duck. But besides that, this is sadly the end of the hunt. Thanks for watching. If you guys want to see our 4-ton duck hunting challenge, video down here. And of course, if you guys want to see our last duck hunting video down here. But besides that, I'll see y'all next video. See ya.